What was the process of going private? I know it's a scary thing to start your own firm. A lot of people are stuck. They want to do that, but it's so overwhelming. What was going on in your head then, and how did you get started?
I was also very scared. I was not entrepreneurial minded. I was not raised by entrepreneurs, although my dad and stepmom are psychologists. I guess I say that my parents were entrepreneurs, but now I'm questioning that. My dad has a private practice, my dad and stepmom, and my mom is a musician. So my mom and stepdad have their own businesses
Yeah.
doing music, but no one had like started and grown a business. That wasn't
Yeah.
something that was in my, in my immediate family. And so it just felt really like outside of the box for me. And it felt very scary, to not just have this regular paycheck. But I lucked out in the sense that I was an associate at a firm with Cynthia Lee, who was Barbara Hines' law partner. And Cynthia and I had a very amicable decision to divide our practices and remain in the same office. So we were actually officing together for a few years after that. But essentially, Cynthia's generosity with me allowed me to launch a practice with my clients. It sort of worked out. And I started studying business principles really quickly after I launched the practice. And it came as a surprise to me that I thought that stuff was interesting. I never really thought of myself as a business person, but as I studied, marketing and sales and financial metrics and hiring and onboarding and like all the stuff that you have to know how to do well to run a healthy business, it was of interest to me. And so I've just applied the principles that I've learned. And, a law firm is like any other business. The truth is a law firm is a lot simpler than, I don't know, a bead store or something. It's like, we don't have goods, like our overhead can be quite low. And so if you just apply business principles to a law firm, you can be pretty successful if that's what you want to grow. It all starts with what you want. Like, what do you want in terms of your income and your lifestyle and your impact? And if you start there and then reverse engineer your business plan, then you can make it happen.